Hi guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back with another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for Trials Rising Gold Edition on the Xbox One. So yeah, I picked this up today. Looking forward to playing it. So there's the front. So it includes the game and the expansion pass. And it includes 55 additional tracks and sticker art book. And there's the side. And there's the back. Eat Dirt, Taste Victory. So the install size is up to 22 gig. And inside of the disc we have the code for the expansion pass, which by the time you've seen this will be redeemed. But yeah, you get those two, and you get that as well. You also get like a little manual of sorts. I say a manual of sorts, it's literally 2 pages. And you also get a sticker art book. So, these are all stickers. Eat Dirt, Taste Victory. Floating like a butterfly, sliding like a ninja. Doing it on the donkey. Giggity. Wouldn't want to do it on a donkey, to be fair. Thank you for trying. What would Fat Shady do? Just one more time. Trials players at 2 AM. Trials Rising. No bikers were harmed. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of Trials Rising on the Xbox One, guys. Gold Edition. If you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, I'll catch you later. Thank you very much. Bye bye.